Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make BBQ sauce, updated. Combine 2 cups ketchup, 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup brown sugar in a saucepan and stir. Add 1 tablespoon Worcestershire, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, and 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, then simmer gently for 10 minutes. Taste and adjust sweetness, salt, or heat. Let cool before storing in a jar and refrigerating. Create distinct flavor layers by starting with sweet, tangy, and savory bases and then adding accents. Mix in 1 tablespoon soy sauce for umami and 2 tablespoons molasses for a richer sweetness. If you prefer a tangier sauce, increase vinegar by 1 tablespoon and reduce sugar slightly. For smoky notes, use 1/2 teaspoon liquid smoke or 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Simmer briefly to marry flavors and taste as you go. If you are enjoying this content, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanup easy after grilling sessions. It saves time so you can focus on flavor instead of crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you bought one, tell us how it helped. Now let's get back to the video. To perfect texture, simmer to reduce for thicker sauce, or whisk a cornstarch slurry of 1 teaspoon cornstarch and 1 tablespoon water to thicken quickly. For silky mouthfeel, stir in 1 tablespoon butter or 1 teaspoon olive oil off heat. Adjust salt and sweet balance after cooling slightly, since flavors concentrate. Cool completely before transferring to an airtight jar, label with date, and refrigerate for up to 2 weeks for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.